Alvitra – System Solutions for Flat Roofs. In this video we demonstrate how to weld Evalon and Everlastic manually. All handheld welders with an angled 40 mm wide nozzle, which are capable of producing the necessary hot air temperature of 470 to 570 degrees centigrade, can be used. The nozzle should be inserted into the seam lab at an angle of about 45 degrees to the membrane edge and about 30 degrees to the roof surface. The heated lab areas can then be fused by applying moderate pressure with a silicone roller, following a long parallel to the opening of the nozzle. Working backwards guarantees that the hot air will always be directed towards the area which requires welding. Finally, the welding seams have to be tested over the complete length. This can be easily done using the Alvitra seam checker.